In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group elements in Canva and on desktop. So I have this design just here, and what we're going to do is group some of these elements. Now, 9 times out of 10, if I have a background on my design, I like to lock this first, because when we're selecting and highlighting like this, if we don't have that background locked, it's also going to group that background. So first off, we've locked the background. Now, let's say I wanted to group all of these elements here on the right hand side. What we want to do is left click on the mouse, hold down, drag and select. Once you've selected the elements that you want to group together, we simply let go. Bam. And now all of this has been grouped. And then we can take this one step further as well and actually group these together by clicking on this little group section just like that. And now all of these elements are technically one element and we can move these around just like that. Now to ungroup this as well is really simple. We can click onto the group and then click ungroup, and all of that has been ungrouped. Now one thing to note, let's go back to where these are all grouped just like that. If you click on an individual element within this group, you can unlock it that way, but that's all you're going to unlock. If you want to unlock everything all at the same time, you want to click next to one of your elements in this group. So again, if we click on the element, it's going to select that one, but we want to select the whole thing just like that, and then we can click ungroup. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to group elements here in Canva and on desktop. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.